a design shaped by the demand to preserve as many existing trees as possible, avoiding their removal at all costs. This is Zen House. The residence was conceived for the family of a yoga teacher who insisted on preserving the century-old trees on the site. This premise was not merely a constraint, it became the driving force of the entire design. A modest 2-meter-high portico marks the entrance to the yoga studio, a subtle transition between spaces with no abrupt boundaries. The arrival at the main house is framed by a tall, double-height portico that signals the primary entrance. A central double-height space, crossed by a curved bridge, connects the dining area to the kitchen and, on the upper floor, links the family room to the bedrooms. This central space is the heart of the home, where all paths converge, encouraging family interaction and offering dynamic perspectives through voids, varying heights, and the play of light and shadow. A total of 45 endemic trees were preserved, significantly reducing the local temperature and maintaining the habitat for wildlife such as parrots, hummingbirds, cardinals, and nightingales. The layout of the house responds to the trees. Every space was placed to weave around the vegetation without cutting down a single tree. The material palette is simple: exposed concrete for walls and ceilings, polished white cement floors, and black framed windows. This neutral language highlights the surroundings, turning the concrete walls into canvases where nature projects its silhouette. The architecture presents itself with sobriety and serenity. It does not seek to stand out, but to integrate with its environment, honoring the landscape, the wildlife, and the shade of the trees that embrace every room. Expansive glass openings connect the interior to the landscape. Zen House redefines the concept of a family home, a minimalist architecture rooted in preservation, where spaces nurture togetherness, quietude, and a profound connection with nature.